mini band resistance. And we are going to be working on the lower body, then transferring to the arms, getting also a total core workout. And we're gonna do this in a matter of minutes. All right.
Hi, I'm Ashley, and I help you create healthy daily habits through clean eating and exercise. Head on over to my website for the products I use and recipe ideas.
You can still get the same type of workout because I'm going to be telling you which muscles, okay? So you're going to stand with your feet right under your hips or just a little bit wider. You're going to go into a squat, opening up the knees and bringing it up. I want you to breathe in as you lift up, squeezing the butt, squeezing the core, and bring it down. You are turning out through your hip, working that outer thigh, squeezing, pulling those inner thighs together. Good. The mini band is such an excellent piece of equipment that you can take anywhere with you. And I can tell you from experience, going to hotel gyms or on vacation, you're gonna wanna get one of these and you're gonna wanna pack it in your bag. Even if you don't wanna go to the hotel gym, or if you're in an Airbnb, you can take this with you. Press play on this video that you're watching right now, and you will get your workout in. And let's do 4. Breathing in as you lift up, 3. Keeping that chest lifted, 2. And 1. Yes, good job. We're gonna go to one side of the mat. You are going to bend down, walking out, leading with your knee, and lift up, and bring it down. So what I mean, leading with your knee. Breathing in is that when you step out, you don't want to step out with your foot, you want to step out as a whole. Keep it up, keep it up. Not taking too big of a step, because if you take too big of a step, your knee for sure is not going to be able to keep up, so you're going to keep them tight. Let's do one more. Good job. Now you're going to bring it down and push the knees out, out, out. You're going to feel yourself going just a little bit rolling over the side of the foot, lifting up the arches. That's okay. Let's do 8, 7, 6, 4, 3, 2. Now pulse the body. 8, 7, 6. Keep the core pulled in. 3, 2, 1. Lift it up. Woo, good job. Okay. We're going to kick the leg back. Your arms are going to swing forward with your elbows going right by your ear. Stepping back. So I want you to stay right here. Bring your arms down. I'm going to go to the side. Your foot is stepping back. Your body is forward in line over that front leg. Your back leg is popped. Your back leg is straight, sorry. You're popped on the ball of your foot. And you're going to bring it in. Swing it. So if you see, my weight is not moving. It stays forward the entire time. My core is pulled in. Breathing out as the arms go up, breathing in as they come down. Keep it up. Let's do 4. Good job. 3, 2, and last 1. Bring it up. Now you're going to bring it back. Swing your arms to the side, lifting up. Leg is straight, knee is front. And swing it back onto the ball of the foot. Swing it up, straightening, and down. Let's do 6. And 4. 3. 2. Last one, keep it up. Put your hands on your hips. Do a slight bend on that standing leg. Lift the outside leg up. 7, 6. Feel that, right? 4, 3, 2. Bring it down. Now you're going to lunge out and bring it up. Out. Let's step it in. As you are lunging out, that knee is staying directly over the ankle. So just like the walking squats. We're not going too far out. And don't be worried about breaking your band. I've never had somebody break a band before. Woo. Let's do 4, 3, 2, keep it out. Pulse it for 8, 7, 6, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring it up, good job. Let's do the other side. Kick the leg back on that ball of that foot. Weight stays forward. Let's do 7. Breathing out, in as you come up. And 4, 3, 2, last 1. Good job. Now kick it back, swing the arms out, come straight up. Swing them back, bend that front knee. 7. Pulling that core in. And 4, 3, 2, last 1. Bring your leg back out to the side, hands on the hips, weight in that standing leg, slight bend in that knee. Other knee is facing me, lift up. 8, 7. Keep it up, look through that hip. 4, 3, 2, and last 1. Good job. Now we're going to step out to a side lunge and pull it in. Make sure as you are stepping out, that knee is under that hip. It's right over that ankle, so don't step out too far. 6, and you're almost done. 4, we have to pulse it. 3, 2, keep it out. Pulse it for 8, 7, 6, 4, 3, 2, feel those thighs, pull it in. Good job. Take the band off your legs. All right, let's go ahead and sit it down. Your knees are slightly bent. You're gonna bring that band, lower part of your forearms near your wrist. You are going to pull it back. Breathe in as you lift it up. As you pull it back, you're gonna stretch that band, pull it in. Good, good, good. As you are pulling the band back, I want you to look up at that ceiling. Let's do 4, 3, 2, keep it back, stretch the band, curl, keep the elbows up, 7, 6, look up, 4, 3, 2, keep them bent and pulse, pull apart, 8, 7, 6, 4, 3, 2, 1, you are almost done, lay it back. Bring your arms above your chest, straighten those legs. Go ahead and cross the right over the left. We're going to lift the right leg up, pull apart, lift the left leg, or pull apart. We're gonna get those lower abs working. Drop the left, control. Pull your arms apart. And pull apart. Again, lift up, apart, roll that lower back into the mat, drop the left leg down, and drop the right. Okay, option to incorporate the upper abs. Lift up, look up at that ceiling. Lift the right leg, pull apart, left, pull apart. Control, control. Again, fingertips up to the ceiling. Lift. Bring it down, and bring it down. Okay, let's switch sides. Left leg over the right. Relax, shoulders on the mat. Lift up, pull the arms. Lift the right leg. Drop the right leg. You are almost done. 3 more sets. Lift up, and lift up. Bring it down, and bring it down. All right, option to get the upper abs involved. Look up at the ceiling, lift. Lift the right leg. Drop the right leg. Keep that lower back on the mat. One more, lift. Lift. Drop. And drop. Good job, drop your shoulders. Woo. Good job, roll yourself up. You did an excellent job. That is a total body workout, Pilates style, using the mini resistance bands. If you want my live workout that I just got done teaching, head on over to my website, ashleywellingfitness.com. Go to courses. You will find a course that fits the style that you're looking for. This is in the bar and Pilates or the all workouts. Make sure you also hit subscribe so you will be the first to know about a new video that is posted every single week. And then here is your next one. Thank you again for joining me. This is Clean Eating and Exercises with Ashley. You have a very wonderful day.